Hi, welcome to the Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change activity app switching and voiceover on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and find the Accessibility, then tap. Then in the Accessibility, go to Vision section and then tap the voiceover. Then in the voiceover, scroll down and then tap the activities. Then in your activities, tap your activity. Then in your activities, scroll down and go to automatic switching section and then tap the apps. Then in this part in the apps, you can now select the application that you want in your activity. For example, you want to choose the camera, just tap the camera until there's a check mark on the side. And if you want to add again another apps, just tap another application. For example, the FaceTime, the Feedback, and the Facebook. Just like this. You can now activate the application by putting the check mark on the side. And if you're done, just tap the back button. And as you can see, that the application that you select is now in the automatic switching apps. And that's what we have successfully changed activity app switching and voiceover on iPhone X. If you have a question, get a comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!